Hello friends, I'm Himanshu Deshmukh here. I'm holistic wellness expert, and we are talking about the holistic wellness. And the question is where to start, and the starting point is of course is a physical wellness, because I always say that motion determines emotion. We have already talked about that diet plays a big role into this. So there are five things actually: the physical workout, your diet. When I say diet, it's not like very strict diet, and also but the kind of nutritions you're taking. What is your BMR, and as per that how much calorie intake you are taking, and is it a balanced nutritious food? That is what the most important thing which you have to take into consideration. Third thing is meditation and mindfulness. Fourth thing is stress. You are having a stressful living, or you are relaxed. And the fifth thing is sleep, the night sound sleep. So let's talk about the sleep in today's video. So there was one survey has been done. They have made two groups of say 100 sample, group A and group B. Group A slept for 8.5 hours every night for 7 days, and group B slept only for 5.5 hours every night. And then the research has been done with respect to their fat loss and muscle mass. So it has been found, and it is a big learning for me as well. It has been found that group A had 60% more fat loss. Group A had 60% more fat loss, and group B had means the people who slept very less time, 5.5 hours, they had lost their muscle mass as well. So this signifies how important it is to sleep at least for 7 to 8 hours. I would recommend 8 hours good night sound sleep, which is creating that significant direct impact on your fat and muscle mass. This has been proved. Okay. Now the question is, some people are aware of this, but they are not getting that sound sleep. So we are going to talk about 5 things. If you would follow, then you will definitely get sound sleep. First thing, you should have early dinner. We are right now doing work from home, and then we are avoiding all this traffic time and all these things. So why can't you have early dinner at say like 7 p.m. or 7:30 p.m. at the max by 8 p.m. So you will get at least 2 hours between your dinner and sleep. Second thing is that there should not be no media, no cell phone at least 1 hour prior to the sleep. Now it is the most difficult one, I know, but can you make it a routine? Can you follow this discipline that if you are sleeping say like at 10:30, then after 9:30 you will not see any kind of messages on cell phone, no Netflix, no Amazon Prime, even you will not take any kind of calls. You will just shut it off from cell phone at 9:30 p.m. if you are sleeping at 10:30 p.m. Third thing is that gratitude prayer. Can you write it down, the gratitude prayer for that day? Means the 3 things for which you are grateful for. It could be anything. It could be any person who helped you, any courier person who has given you something on that day. You have to just give thanks to him. The meals, your wife, your mother who cooking you relentlessly for so many months now at home, many years of course, but particularly in this time period. Can you give thanks to them? Can you write it down? 3 things for which you are grateful for, write it down. Fourth thing is meditation music. Play meditation music and then do meditation. Now fifth thing which I would suggest, when you are sleeping, you are lying on the bed, then give number when you are inhaling. 1 while inhaling, exhale 2, inhale 1, exhale 2. Do it for say like 5 to 10 minutes. Can you do it? And then you will realize that automatically you are getting in that sleeping mode, because many times people say that okay, we want to sleep but we are not getting the sleep. Now we are not sleepy as such. So you do this: inhale 1, exhale 2. So what we have seen in this video, the importance of sleep, we have seen the result of survey that if you sleep for 5.5 hours and what will happen if you will sleep for 7.5 hours or 8 hours every night. And the 5 things which we have seen: first thing is that early dinner. Second thing is no media, no cell phone at least 1 hour prior to the sleep. Third one is gratitude prayer. Fourth thing is meditation music. And fifth thing is simple exercise at inhale 1, count 1, exhale count 2. That's it, simple. You will see definitely very good results with respect to your sleep, which will have direct positive impact on your health. Thank you very much. Please give me your feedback.